Hi, this is Jerry from Mulbury. Today I want to talk to you about the way we get our timbers and everything else. So we source our timbers from any building site that is deconstructing a structure of some nature. We generally only use hardwood timbers. So we have a range of people who supply us stuff, from our local builders to all different tradies that supply us with our hardwood timber, which is, you can see at the back here. So what we try and do is take this timber and save it from going to landfill, to waste. People burn it in their fires, etc. So this is absolutely beautiful Aussie hardwood timber, and what we're trying to do is just give it a new life and let it be admired by a lot more people, you know. So what we do, once we sand it and clear it up, we use nourishing waxes and oils. It adds moisturizer to the timber, just the same as you would put moisturizer on your face, and it just gives it another leaf of life. This timber just shines, it comes alive, it's absolutely beautiful. It's just, you know, it's just such an honor for us to be able to use that. And to cut down on our environmental impact, we try and use a lot of hand tools as much as we could. We don't have any CNC computer cutters or anything like that. We don't believe in all that. We believe that good old-fashioned hand tools are still the best. We've got two artisans that work here helping me, and they're absolutely fantastic. Their respect for the timber and where it came from and everything else is just outstanding. So I'm really blessed to be able to have them working with me. Now our whole building also here is run on solar. So that's probably that little hum you could hear in the back there. That's it kicking in and running our whole building for some of the machinery we have and everything else. Now with the waste, we try and our aim is to have a zero waste policy. We're not there yet, but we'll get there soon, I'm sure. So our offcuts, like our sawdust, goes to chicken farmers, mushroom farmers, some industrial manufacturing people. They come and they'll take it to put on their, they've got oil in their production, so it goes on the floor, and they will use the sawdust there, then they'll pick it up and it'll go into compost or wherever. So we work with landscapers as well. We're using a 50% recycled acrylic sheet, and the offcuts of the acrylic sheets and the timber we give to kids' workshops so they can paint on it. They peel the acrylic back and it's clear, so they paint on it and they put it on their windows, and you know, it's just, we're creating, you know, another market for these kids to enjoy so all of that stuff we try and recycle. But what I'm going to show you now is the offcuts of when we make our frames. This is what we do with the offcuts after we cut the timber to make our picture frames. So this is what we have when we cut timber down to size to make our mouldings for our picture frames. So we've got a whole bin full of these offcuts, and I'm going to show you what we do with these offcuts as well. We try and use up everything. So these offcuts, I'll show you what we do with them shortly. Right. So this is what we do with the offcuts. Here they are. If you have a look here, have a look at this. We just put them in, make a chair out of them, or you know, we make a stool out of them, and that's all loose. So that's all our offcuts. That way it doesn't go into waste or landfill. But yeah, you can sit down, relax, have a cool drink, watch your favorite TV show or a movie, all in an eco recycled timber chair.